Well, episode 5 now. It's Monday. Our exhaust wrap has just showed up. Last video is being uploaded anyway, but we're gonna pull these exhaust shields off, and I'm gonna probably pull the rear exhaust tube and see how this exhaust wrap looks, and we'll start tearing into that a little bit. Ripped off, look a bit better already, but as you can see, like the bit of rust and the markings that the clamps left behind. And this is what I'm gonna have to try and polish out best I can, that little bit of rust there and the stuff from the clamp there. But besides that, I think it's gonna look a lot better. People, so exhausts are wrapped. One I did last night, that's the rear one, it's the lighter colored one, it's dried a bit already. The forward one I just did, just put the pipes on and we're gonna run it and dry the wraps out. Let's do it. Old Harley's, choke out, 3 pumps on that throttle, that's it. Stay tuned. Next week I've got bars being pulled off and some controls and stuff. I'm gonna go down and see what I can do about getting some risers sorted out and some bars Bayview Custom Cycles has some used bars. They said they might be able to hook me up with some stuff. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, that's it for this week.